Hello everyone, the Duke here, and today we're back on a totally different day. And what we're going to be installing is, well, we're going to be replacing the stock air filter, which is right here, with this thing right here. And that's just going to go on right there. And nice. So really, with what we can do, I said that right there, is we can pretty much just pull this thing off, as long as I'm careful. There we go. There we go. There's some liquid in there. That's probably not good. Okay, so I've been shoving the stuff around, and I didn't realize you can just move that up, which it should just, if I twist it, yeah, it still works fine. I can just tighten that down. As long as it doesn't fall into the engine bay, we're golden. Hey, it's on there. It's on there tight too, which is what we want. I kind of want to just take this whole thing off, which I think it should be similar to the exhaust. I mean, 8mm. Okay, here's one. I knew I wasn't stupid. Actually, I might be. Alrighty, so there's that removed. That's kind of cool, but what do I Alright, behold my masterpiece. I have it zip tied here, so that should keep that from moving, and I'm going to trim off that piece right there. Then we'll be able to try it, and if I have to keep the old air intake there, that's not a big issue, but I mean, honestly, I just like the way it looks without it. It looks a little cleaner. I mean, I don't like this thing just sitting here, but I don't really know of a way I can put it that isn't in the way. I have no idea where that went. I definitely would say that I can't really feel as much of a performance increase with that as I felt with that, though that thing was like 10 bucks. I mean, it also looks pretty cool. I mean, if you look at it under there. I think it's far better than that thing, and while I don't like that, what I can assume is some kind of sensor hanging out, and I'm not knowledgeable enough on how to remove it, so if anyone knows how or if I should, I'd appreciate that. But I mean, replacing this thing was extremely easy. I mean, all you do is pull off the old one, then you screw on this one, and then voila, it's all ready to go. And the exhaust was similar enough, and so for around, what was that, I think $60 worth of upgrades, I'm very pleased with this thing. It's nowhere as near as fast as this thing. This has a 200cc engine compared to a 49cc engine. Of course, this thing is a lot bigger, but I mean, for what it is, these upgrades, for being easy and relatively cheap, I'm quite happy with them. So if you're looking for some cheap upgrades to do to your moped, I'd recommend exhaust, new carb, and a new air filter as well. And that's basically, from what I've looked at online, the extent that you can do to one of these things without doing a big bore job. Because a big bore job is basically making the piston right here a whole lot bigger, and that will increase your power a lot, but I don't feel comfortable doing that. And you know, I'm not using this as an active commuter vehicle. If I was, I probably would do it, but since I'm not, I'm perfectly happy with how it is now. Yeah, my last upgrade is probably just going to be getting a mat right there because I'm just tired of seeing the battery, but overall, I'm very pleased with this thing. Hope you enjoyed the video and that it was helpful, and this has been the Duke, signing off. Oh yeah, real quick, interjector, take off this. This is not part of it. I left it on. I think it may have been smelling.